Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am here with my new YouTube video. Today the topic of my video is something unique. So this is nail art, foot nail art, which is so beautiful and decent. Look very beautiful and pretty. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When you press bell icon, whenever I posted my new video, you'll get a notification. Like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. I hope you like this video, and I recommend you to watch this video till end. So without any further, let's get started. So as you see, they are very beautiful nail art. It is so beautiful. Look, very pretty. This is in white and pink color, and the color combination is very beautiful, so good. And this is very different colors. This is in pink and with some flower. This is very pretty and looks so beautiful. As you see, this is very pretty and the color is very good. Look very beautiful. This is in some unique design. This is in pink and silver color. This is pink, white, silver, many colors which look so beautiful. This is very beautiful. This is in rainbow. This is white and pink, which looks so pretty. This is some leaf design. This is some purple and white. This is pink with white flower and look very beautiful and pretty and very decent design, cute. So this is in black, and this is in tea pink type of color, which looks so beautiful, very cute. And most of the nail art is about flowers and this type of thing. And this is in very light color, which looks so beautiful and pretty. This is in yellow, green, and different color combination. This is in white with stones. This is some type of shade of white. This is very beautiful. It looks so beautiful and shiny. This is also in flower design. This is some heart and heartbeat design. This is some simple but look beautiful. This is some very unique. This is in flower. This is also in yellow and black flower. This is also very beautiful. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next YouTube video, which post soon inshallah. And Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.